6S power. We're just gonna jump right into this and go for it.
Yeah, pretty much, guys.
We already did all the said about how pretty it is and all that, so let's get out there and fly it.
Yeah, so all we did different for this flight is we have changed to our optional propeller. We also have switched over to our 4000 6S pack. But if you haven't already seen our maiden flight, go back and check that out. But now it's time to find out about the power.
What's the difference between the 4S and the 6S? So here
let's do it. All right, guys, here we go. 6S performance flight. Looks beautiful. The wind is still dead crosswind on us, so hopefully that
3 to 7 miles an hour.
Hopefully that doesn't get us on our takeoff. But here we go. Lori, turn you around there, and we're gonna ease into the power.
Have a little bit of brake on the wind.
Gear up. It already feels better with the 6S pack because it's heavier.
Yeah, I don't think you have the...
So I'm at half throttle right now.
The CG is probably better on this one.
Oh,
we did tell them to
add
if they're gonna use the 4S, add some weight to the nose. Looks like the 6S, if you fly at 6S, you're not going to add anything. Yeah, it's a little bit faster.
It's a little faster. It's not crazy.
Crazy faster, but it is a little faster. Yep.
Flies great. I like it with that little bit more nose weight. It makes a big difference having that 6S. Which you can do in the 4S too, guys. Just don't forget to add it. You step back a few steps, Dan. Thanks. Hard for me to see the airplane on that side of the runway.
Don't fly it on that side of the runway.
Man, it is great. Figure eights out there in the middle were awesome. And I love the silver twinkling. Great flying airplane.
Yeah, she's just a little faster. I think so.
Performance is great with this thing. Yeah. Holy cow.
Yep. I think she's got to be at least 15 miles an hour faster.
Yeah, I'm going to say we're pushing right around 100. Big loop. No problem getting over the top of that loop. Pull it out of the power. What an airplane. Oh, air show performance maneuvers, I mean, they're super easy. 4-pointer. Pull it over the top.
Your knife edge it yet?
Hold it. Roll out of it. Yeah, we can try a knife edge. I bet it's got enough power now to hold the knife edge.
Yeah, you brought it across from left to right. Do that again. I remember it did a real nice one on the 4S, kind of. Yeah, about the same way.
Falls out a little bit.
Same way, but you know, it's a Warbird. It's not supposed to knife edge all that great. So you still have the controls at full, everything?
Yep, 100% everywhere. Power coming out of it. Let's slow it down a little bit now that we've got the I'm gonna put one notch of my flaperons in. Oh, look at it slow down now.
I'm telling you guys,
it needed that nose weight.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, if you got a little bit of headwind on this airplane, it's going to slow down and really land docile.
Nose weight.
Of course, we don't have any wind period right now. You want to do a touch and go? Go for it. It kind of died right here.
Power is out. Turning it in.
Right here at the present moment. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I told you. Come on. That's over here. All right. Look at here. Yeah.
Kind of a bouncy one, but that's okay.
Yeah, but that's the first one. But that was no
Let's do it again.
Crosswind.
Listen to it. I don't know what was whistling right there. It sounded crazy.
Well, somebody else said it whistles. Does land hot though, guys.
Fancy whistles.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 1 pound. There we go. Does land hot, doesn't it?
Yeah. I need to try my flapper on some more.
Well, here comes the wind again.
Yeah. Man, it is awesome. Awesome flying airplane. See, inverted.
I would probably tell you that you'd want to wait and let this one fly or land it in the wind.
If you can, you want the wind.
Yeah, if you can, it's the best way. Well, because it doesn't have any
Unlimited vertical.
We're so used to flaps now.
Right.
In the old days, we didn't have flaps. I guess we compensated for it. We just landed. Well, the fields I always had, we had long runways like we have here at Barris.
That howl sound, though. I'm gonna come by and cut the power off. Listen to this thing. Man, is this a Corsair? I hear whistling death coming out of this. One more of those.
That thing is screaming.
I mean to tell you,
I may have to check the dummy engine cowl, and
all right, here we go.
that might be it.
Gear. I'm gonna try both notches of my flaperons this time for my landing. See if that makes any difference.
Still got a crosswind, but we're about 2 miles an hour right at the present moment. It's almost calm, just so you guys know. It's gone to nothing right now. Ooh, it floats. Oh, look at
that was with my flaperons. That wasn't bad. It's going to run off the end of the runway, though.
It runs straight off. Best thing you can do.
Poop.
One is you don't break anything.
Anyway, we'll get y'all back at the bench. It was hard getting it slowed down with that crosswind right now, but we'll meet you back there for our final thoughts. All right, guys, so another fun flight. I did figure out why it landed so weird. I was coming into land and I was like, man, the nose is up weird. Instead of flaps, I had spoilers, so both ailerons were up instead of down. And I don't know how I did that.
And that's why the airplane landed
like this. It slowed it down a whole bunch.
It kept this attitude until it hit like that because it was the spoilers were making it do that.
So we're gonna fly it again, and I'm gonna program the flaps in instead of spoilers. But if you were curious, it will fly with spoilers.
So I guess we did that on 4S too.
Yeah. So I don't recommend that, but it didn't hurt anything. It just flies kind of funky with it.
Now,
so
I'm gonna say everybody wants to know what my opinion is. You got opinion. Everybody's got opinions, like they got other things, but I really like the 6S power.
I do too, and I like the nose weight of a 6S in there.
Yeah.
The plane felt a lot more stable with it in there. Now we flew on a 4,000 for 5 minutes exactly. 380 on the money, so that's perfect. 5 minutes. 6S. I had a couple full throttle rippers in there.
Yeah, you flew it not easy around.
Yeah. You could maybe squeeze a 5 in here. I just have an issue with the bulkhead here where we can't get the battery in the airplane physically around that bulkhead. So, not to say it couldn't be got in there, but I haven't figured out a way to get it in there yet. But anyway, I love it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Boozer approval.
Yeah, that's right. We don't have our sticker with us, but
we'll stick it
Boozer
on there.
approved airplane for sure.
The panel lines and the dots and all that stuff, we'll put that Boozer sticker.
We really like this plane, guys. So far, I mean, it is a rocket. It flies on rails. You know, I wish that we could get a day where it's not direct crosswind, but it's okay. Sometimes y'all want to see that. Anyway.
Yeah. I can't say anything better for this airplane. I mean, if you're looking for wood and you're looking for a fun, the easiest flying Warbird Balsa, here it is.
So, guys, without further ado, please like, share, subscribe, get out there and fly with your friends. If you've decided to get a Hangar 9 P-47, use my link. It's down in the description. Doesn't cost you nothing. Help support us. And then Get out there and fly with your friends.
And you know, we always want to say thank you for all the subscribers we've had. We hit 7,000 now. We've got another 200. You know, I just am always blown away. And we say thank you.
So, see y'all later. Meh.